Wants to create a complete website page by drag and drop just in few minutes? You are on right video in this video. Today I will guide you about how to use Create a Website Page by Elementor. Open the WordPress dashboard. Go to the Pages. Click All Pages. Click the Home, Front page. Click Next. Next. Then Get Started. Click Image on Homepage, or any other text data if need change. Then save the changes. Then go in Plugins. Add new plugin. Search Elementor. Click Elementor Website Builder. Then go Pages. Edit any page. Add the title. Then adjust the settings. Click Add a button. Set the title margin to make it in center. Skip the notification, then edit any section. Then click Publish the page and see the results. Then add any single layout like images, text, or video. Drag the section. Click Upload the anything. Then add headings. And add the heading and text.